Today's episode is based on episode 1. If you have not watched episode 1, please go watch it and then you can come back here for Q&A. I'll put a link in the description. I encourage all of you to ask questions so that we can bring more out of the videos together. Here is the first question. The first question is from Ani. He asks, for what purpose did you create the channel? I create this channel to share the joy of learning Sanskrit and Buddhism, to contribute a bit towards education, to form a community, and also a reason factor, which is the LA fire. Second question is from Wei. She asks, why should we care about Diamond Sutra? Diamond Sutra is a very influential text in the East. It's the second earliest book. Most importantly, the text talks about how we could help others and ourselves walk towards awakening. The last question is from Breeze. She asks, what is the condition? Is there another lesson you have describing that? Condition corresponds to the Samskritam, which could be translated as put together. Here I also put the Chinese translation and explanation for it. Let's use candle as an example. A candle fire is conditioned or depends on the container, the wax, the wick, the air, etc. We could go further, but you get the idea. As these conditions are changing, so is the fire. The world is like that too. Buddhism often looked at our body and mind as the world. This world is changing all the time. The stabilities that we see is only on the surface. Brits did a very good thing here, which is to reflect on the text. You want to reflect and bring up the text as often as you could. When you are greedy, for example, upset, or when you feel unwise. In fact, in the Sanskrit title, there's a word Prajna Paramita, which means transcending wisdom. Incidentally, the word that was translated as condition, Samskritam, was also the name that we gave to an ancient language that we call Sanskrit today. Thank you for the questions again, Wei, Breeze, and Arnie. I look forward to more questions from all of you. See you next time. May you be well.